Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. In today's session, we will be diving into the fascinating world of cold calling, a powerful yet often misunderstood sales strategy. We will be breaking down its essentials, discuss effective techniques, learn how to handle rejections, and explore how modern technologies like AI and CRM can enhance your cold calling efforts. We will also be sharing inspiring success stories of businesses that have achieved transformative results with their cold calling strategies. So if you are ready to boost your sales performance, improve your business relationship, and drive your business to new heights of success, then join me in this exciting journey as we master the art of cold calling. Let's start learning, evolving, succeeding together. Stay tuned. Let's get started.
1. The Essentials of Cold Calling, a comprehensive guide. Cold calling is a proactive strategy where you initiate contact with potential customers who haven't expressed interest in your product or service before. It's all about creating opportunities and getting your foot in the door. Yes, it's challenging, but with the right approach, it can yield impressive results. 2. Modern techniques of cold calling in the digital era. In the digital era, cold calling has evolved. We now have social media platforms, email automation tools, and AI-driven software to assist us. By leveraging these digital tools, we can tailor our outreach, follow up effectively, and track our progress more easily. 3. Cold calling vs email prospecting, a comparative stud. While email prospecting has its merits, such as convenience and the ability to mass contact, cold calling allows for a more personal interaction. A real conversation can help you better understand your prospect's needs, handle objections immediately, and build rapport. 4. Effective cold calling scripts, a step-by-step guide. Scripts are not about reading lines, they're more like roadmaps guiding you through a call. A good script helps you stay focused, handle objections, and guide the conversation towards setting an appointment or making a sale. 5. Key performance indicators, KPIs, for cold calling success. Monitoring your KPIs is essential for cold calling success. Metrics like call-to-meeting ratios, conversion rates, and average call duration can provide valuable insights into your performance and areas for improvement. 6. Mastering the art of cold calling, essential skills and tips. Effective cold calling requires a blend of skills. Excellent communication, active listening, persistence, and resilience in the face of rejection are key. Remember, every no gets you closer to a yes. 7. Overcoming fear of rejection in cold calling. Rejection is a part of cold calling, but don't let it deter you. Each rejection is a learning opportunity. Be positive, respectful, and remember that it's not personal. Keep refining your approach, and success will follow. 8. Leveraging CRM for efficient cold calling. A customer relationship management (CRM) tool can be a game changer for your cold calling strategy. It helps manage and analyze customer interactions and data, making your cold calling efforts more targeted and efficient. 9. Incorporating AI and machine learning into cold calling. Incorporating AI and machine learning into your cold calling strategy can help optimize your process. AI can automate tasks, analyze data for predictive insights, and even personalize your cold calling strategies. 10. Case study, transformative success stories of cold calling. There are numerous success stories showcasing the power of effective cold calling. Businesses have seen impressive sales boosts, higher conversion rates, and better customer relationships by refining their cold calling techniques. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of cold calling. Remember, the key to success lies in your approach, persistence, and willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Let's continue our journey towards mastering the art of cold calling together.